Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as from the title you can obviously see, I am going to try out the Mamaearth Vitamin C face wash. No, sorry, Vitamin C face mask with kaolin clay in it. So I've been waiting to do this from long time. So this is what I bought from Nykaa. If you're not aware of the fact what Nykaa is, it's an Indian site where you can buy makeup, cosmetics, fragrance, blah blah, new stuffs. They are upgrading every day. So I hope you like this. And if you want to join my family, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so with when I upload a new video, you get notified. So give it a thumbs up so I can keep making on this kind of a video. And if you like it, please comment what kind of review do you want. I want to do a lot of kind of reviews. I like doing reviews for you guys. So if you guys want any kind of reviews, feel free to comment in my comment box. I will do it for you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this is the marks I was talking about. So I hope you can see this is the Mamaearth Vitamin C face mask with kaolin clay. So this is what it looks like. So this is paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested with bioactives. What are bioactive? I doesn't know. So with the vitamin C and kaolin clay, everyone is well aware vitamin C is very important for your skin. It's going to keep your skin bright. It's going to like rejuvenate your skin. And kaolin clay, if you're not aware what a kaolin clay is, it's a natural, very light, very soothing exfoliator. It's exfoliate your dead skin out with a very soothness, very calmingly, and it's really good for acne prone skin, not prone, what I'm saying, acne prone skin. So for skin illumination, if you want to illuminate your skin, if you want a 24 karat glow like I have in my face, this is all fake, this is highlighter. So if you want that kind of a glow, please use this. I'm not affiliated to Mamaearth like any means. I'm not affiliated to Mamaearth. They doesn't know I even exist. This is I'm doing for free. This is bought off from my money. I thought of getting this out, so don't come for me like I'm doing any kind of promotion or not, what not. So this is how the packaging look like. I'm going to open this up and this is how it looks. The cute marble effect, can you appreciate this? They have done this small marble effect in the packaging, and I'm really into marble, like marble effects. So you can see this is, the light is not translating it nicely, the marble effect all over the thing. So what are the ingredients? So this is how the jar look like. Okay, what it costed me? It costed me rupees 499 and it is 100 grams. My mind, 100 grams for 499. This thing is like really cheap. If you like get that illumination from this, what you wanted, what I expect from Mamaearth product, like they are really good. The paraben, silicone, mineral, everything free products. So what are the ingredients? The first thing I notice is key ingredients. Why guys? This is a generation who wants every ingredient listed below, every chemical you're putting in this. These have key ingredients and promotes even skin tone, firm and brighten skin. So what are the key ingredients? I'm going to read everything out in detail. So I'm going to spill the tea about this thing. Key ingredient, aqua. First is aqua, then kaolin clay, bentonite clay, castrolol alcohol. Why does it have alcohol? Glycerin, aloe vera extract, glycolic acid, cocoa butter, magnesium carbonate, titanium dioxide, mulberry extract, citric acid, turmeric extract, xanthan gum, chamomile extract, sodium PCA, lemon oil, apricot oil, potassium sorbate, and magnesium acrobryl phosphate. If you people are aware, I need a breath, aware of what these things are, like please feel free if there's something bad in this, like alcohol triggered me out, it's going to give a premature wrinkle in my face. Direction for use: wash your face with a Mamaearth sulfate free face wash suiting your skin type. Dab your face dry and apply generous layer of face masks on the clean face and neck. Keep it for 15 minutes and rub and wash with lukewarm water. For best result, use twice a week. But this, okay. So this is how this thing look like. It smells very citrusy. Oh my god, I can see. Why? Oh my god, you can see everything is coming out. Why? I didn't expect this. It smells like lemony. I hope you can see. This is how the products look like. I hope you can see there is like a lot in this cap, and this is like half empty. Why? Why? Okay, they have this kind of natural natural spatula. What? This spatula made of plastic, and I'm going to lose this. I know this. Still, I'm going to try this out. So I'm going to go and wash my face and come back and show you how to apply this and how and what it does to my face. So guys, as you can see, I've come back after washing my face. I've washed my face with the vitamin C face wash from Wow, I guess, yeah, from Wow, that with that brush thing. So you can see my natural glow. Before it was gone. It was not natural, it was my highlight. That's why I was glowing that much. So my glow is gone. This is how I look, total fake after washing my face. So this is how I'm going to try this out now. So this is what the thing looks like. It smells very like soapy. I don't know why. And why they have fragrance in this. It smells very lemony. Like, have you tried that thing? Okay, I have sanitized this also. Like, you don't have to worry that much. I'm going to apply this and leave it for 15 minutes. So as you can see, I'm done with my applications. The thing is, it's stinking, not stinking, it's stinging me, like it's poking my face. I don't know, it's the activation process. Like, I have tried many masks, it does that. It is not severe or something, but the lemon, that fresh lemony smell, I love that, but it is too much. I don't like my skin stuff to be like very much fragrancy, and I hope no, I know it will go out, but it's not too much. But me being very like overreactive, I know that, but still I don't like that. Overall, still now you can see after using some point like this thing, this spatula thing, I came to my hand. I like my hand very much. It's increases credibility of the product, and I don't know why people leaves the area around their eye, they are like really sensitive or something. Like, I know the area of the eye is like really sensitive, still I like apply this. Don't do this to your house. This is like very professionally done with lot of script. I'm joking. Like, I really like applying everything near to my eyes. Don't get it inside your eyes. This is a warning. Like, do as you like. If you want to do around your eyes, do that. If you don't, then don't. Here's what I prefer. Don't come for me. My eyes are fine. As you can see, I can still see. I put every mask like this. I like my eye area also to get everything which I'm putting in my face. Like, you don't leave your area, like, don't without applying moisturizer or something. You only apply eye cream, nothing like so. You apply everything near your eyes, so this also can go near your eyes, I guess, if you can be precise and if you're good with the application, then only. Don't get inside your eyes. I'm not promoting this, and as I put this in my lip, it doesn't mean you can consume this. Please guys, whoever is like putting it internally, don't do that. That's wrong. It's what kind of warnings I giving. Am I out of my mind? So I'm going to wait for like 15 to 20 minutes. Like, I'm going to go to the extreme, like 20 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and show you my face, the result, how it have done. As you can see, I've been very generous at some place, and some place I'm missing. So I'm going to fix this up outside the camera, not outside the camera. I'm not inside the camera, like out, like without. Not while making this video actually. So I'm going to fix everything and wait for like 20 minutes after that and show you how this does work to my skin. So see you guys in 20 minutes. So guys, I'm back after it's been 15 or 16 minutes. I have never waited like for 20 minutes. It's like too long. Who's going to wait for that long? It's like budge proof, as you can see. Nothing is coming off. It's totally like sealed your face. You can go out right like that to protect yourself from like pollution. No, actually I'm joking. Don't do that. Don't ever do that. Like, seriously, I'm joking. I'm going to wash my face and come back and show you what it did to my face. So this is how my face look like. I hope you can see the feel. It feels really soft, and you can see the glow it created. My face look really clean. Obviously I have washed my face. I have washed my face and applied a face mask. What else do you want? What else do you expect? But the thing is, does my my face feels like really soft, and does it look luminous? You guys judge for yourself. It's not only this light thing. This is not only the light thing. Naturally also my face is like glowing. I can see that it illuminated my skin in one use. I'm like really stoked to the point, but you can't review a product basis on one time use. So now I'm going to apply. So it's been a minute or so. Now I'm going to apply this Mamaearth oil free face moisturizer with apple cider vinegar. I hope you can see this too. Like, I bought this too. So this is how it looks. This is like 25 grams and it costed me rupees 99. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, it's 99. So how I feel about this product is like very moisturizing. The cement feel you get from this local brands, like when you buy something of drugstore and you can feel the cementing feel, like it stretched your skin out to a point when you feel like suffocated trying it, extracting everything from your skin, but it doesn't feel so. It's been a minute guys, like it's been 10 minutes or so. I've washed my face and haven't applied anything, and you can see there's nothing, a stitch of thing in my face. There's no simple water in that. So is this approved? Is this thing approved by me? Are you still asking me? Yes. Minus the fragrance and minus the key ingredients. I want the full description. It's 2020. What are you doing, Mama? We are the generation who wants everything in written, every ingredient, whatever we are putting in your face. We do read the label. This is not 1970s. Don't expect us to skip on everything. Period. Please do that. Except that I really recommend you to use the product. This is paraben silicone free dermatologically tested with bioactives. What else do you want? This is only 499, 500, like only 500 rupees Indian money. Do buy this. So I'm going to apply this moisturizer. It's a very oil free formula. I am been using this like for like 2 to 3 days. It's been, yeah, 2 or 3 days. So I'm going to apply very little amount. So the smell in the face mask is like very like it's gone, like it's already, I've washed it. And one another thing I forgot to tell you, it was like really easy to wash it out. It was like a cream, like face cream. If you wash the face cream and after it has dried out, it was not stretching out my face, like you can't even talk that kind of a feelings, like every other clay mask does that. Like every clay mask you are aware of, they does that. They will like stretch your skin out. I don't know why the heck they do that. Obviously they are clay, but this kaolin clay is like very soft. It's a very soft exfoliant for your skin. Do read about them in the like for future use. And if you are acne prone, this kaolin clay is really good for your skin. There are other kind of marks. I'm going to link every details, everything, this thing, even this I'm going to link everything in the down. And Mama doesn't know I exist. I'm not affiliated. I'm not making any money out of it. If you want the product, please go and buy. If you don't, then don't buy this. Period. So that's it for today guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you want me to like review any other kind of products from Mamaearth or any other kind of brand. Please give it a thumbs up guys, and please comment below if you like this review or you want this kind of a review or more this kind of a review. So I will be really very happy. Please subscribe and obviously ring that notification bell. Like please subscribe. I want this line to still glow on my face. I want this glow every day in my face, and I do love this kind of and I enjoy this kind of videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye.